We'll guide you through how to make wavy text in CapCut. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, tap the Windows Start button on your computer and type CapCut into the search field to locate the application. Launch the CapCut application from the search results and wait for it to load completely before continuing. Open an existing project or create a new one if you are starting from scratch. Import your video if it is not already included in the project, then drag the video onto the timeline so it is ready for editing. Click the Text tab from the toolbar to access the available text editing tools. Select Add Text and enter the text that you want to animate. Adjust the font, size, color, and position of the text until it matches the style you want for your video. Once the text is ready, click the Effects tab from the top toolbar to access the available visual effects. Browse through the effect library or use the search bar to find the wavy text effect, depending on the version of CapCut that you are using. After locating the effect, drag the wavy effect onto the text layer in the timeline so it is applied to the selected text. Click the Applied Effect to open its settings in the Properties panel and review the available customization options. Preview the animation in the playback window to see how the wavy text effect looks while the video is playing. If necessary, continue making additional adjustments to the effect settings until the wave motion looks exactly the way you want. Play the entire project from the beginning to review the completed animation and confirm that the text remains in the correct position throughout the clip. Check that the animation blends naturally with the rest of your edits and enhances the overall presentation of the video. Once you are satisfied with the final appearance, save your project to preserve the wavy text effect and all other editing changes.